sets aren't for girls. I know you're a girl. Get your picture?
Yep.
Hey, hold him tight. Show him to the GoPro too. Take a walk up close. Got it? Okay, hold my feet. Show the GoPro.
My best friend Bob.
Best friend who?
Bob.
Bob.
Yep.
Alright, hold him up higher. Let him go.
Goodbye.
Bob's fat. Look at his belly.
I usually draw dogs. I got fish.
I got fish.
I got
Got nibbled. There's two fish in this little. Oh, this fish been caught. Sure this ain't the same one? This Bob?
Not a leech in there?
No, look at this hole. Side over here. See the hole underneath his eye?
No, I didn't catch Bob.
Meh.
That's a good answer.
You grab the camera. I think it's a better one. No, pick it up. Looking good. It's all right.
His name is Father.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for Father's Day.
Father's Day's a month away.
It's okay.
He has a crawdad in his throat. You want to see?
Yeah.
Show you. Show the camera down there. And see that pincher?
Uh-huh.
That little looks like a piece of grass.
Yeah.
It's a crawdad antenna.
Good job, Father.
Father's eating food.
Goodbye, Father.
I swear you're so He's on there. Real on it? Mother effer. Alright. Now show him. Yeah, it's supposed to be. We don't step on a hook. Now show the GoPro real close.
This is my mother.
Alright. Hold him up. Let him go.
Goodbye, Mother. Dang it.
Mother